What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to reset or restart a language course in Duolingo. If you've made progress in a language but want to start fresh, Duolingo gives you the option to reset the course. However, this can't be done through the mobile app. You will need to use your browser on your phone to continue. Open up your browser and head to duolingo.com. If you're not already signed in, click I already have an account. Then log in with your Duolingo credentials. Once you're logged in, you won't see the course reset option in the main dashboard. You'll need to manually navigate to a specific settings page. In the address bar, type or paste the URL duolingo.com/settings/courses. This will take you directly to the Manage Courses section of your account settings. Here, you will see a list of all the language courses you're currently enrolled in. Find the course you want to reset and click the Reset or Remove button next to it. A warning will pop up explaining that resetting the course will erase all of your progress for that language, including completed lessons and streaks. If you're sure you want to start over, click Reset to confirm. Your selected language course will now be reset to the very beginning, just like when you first started it. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.